Students, I just wanted to say hello and upload some videos for you. I wanted you to see really how beautiful the greenhouse is growing. This is all your hard work, and I wanted to let you know that I will be here to take care of this while we're on break. Just remember, this is a temporary situation and we will all be back together soon. And if you feel like you need to talk to us, you can send us a message via our email. Go to valleywestschool.com and the directory is there. If you want to send me a message, it's loriem@valleywestschool.com, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. In the meantime, today is lecture and our hands-on. So tomorrow, it's going to be your homework sheet. Read it, answer the few questions on the back. All right, so let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about seedlings and how to transplant them. Seedlings 101. So let's look at what we need. Okay, so depending on what our point of sale is, and remember, we are in this as a business, so depending on what your point of sale is it going to be a 4-pack or is it going to be a 4-inch square? That would determine. And today we're going to do our spinach, and we're going to put those into 4-packs because we're going to sell those, and then some of them are going to go into our community garden. That's another lecture later in the week. So let's look at a few things that we need. We have our daisy tray. And we have our 4-packs. Remember, these are our cells with 4-packs in it, okay? The other thing that we need are pickers. This is just a little tiny shovel. All my students remember this. It's on my potting bench in the classroom. This is what we're going to use. If you don't have one of these, you can use one of our tags. That works well because it's got a pointy tip on it also. If you don't have either of these, you can use a butter knife if you're growing in your kitchen, all right? So let's get going and let's look at what we need to do. So the first thing that we need to do when we're doing our seedlings is we need to look and make sure that they have true leaves. So these two right here are our cotyledons. So those are the first leaves that emerge. These two inside of here are our true leaves. Now, true leaves mean that we can repot our seedlings. So let's go ahead and start doing our seedlings. So you want to take your trowel and you want to gently go in here and you want to tease these out. This can be tedious, but I like it. So we don't want to grab our seedlings by the stem. We'll crush the vascular system. That's our xylem and phloem. We talked about that. Remember, the water and nutrients move through that. So what we're going to do is tease it out. Hold it by its leaves. There's our beautiful root system, okay? Just like we learned in class. Use your pinky, make a hole. We're going to put that right in there, and then we're gently going to tamp that down. Remember, gentle is the key. If we push it down too much, we'll compact it, and then our poor little roots won't be able to move through. So I'm going to work on doing this tray, but before I finish that, I want to show you the next thing. Okay. All right, the next thing I want to show you today is these are our geranium cuttings. You remember in class a couple weeks ago, we took tip cuttings off of our geraniums, which we called our mother plant, and we put rooting hormone on them, and then we put them in these small cell packs, and we kept them on the table waiting to grow. So we're going to move these today. I checked them, and they have root systems. Remember, I said if you gently tug on them and they don't move, they have a root system. So I'm going to go ahead and pot one of these up for you today. All right, so let's take a look at our geranium. Remember, we don't want to rip it out of the container. We want to gently squish it and pull it out. And then just to show you, there's our little root system right there. So we are successful. All right, these are our hot pink geraniums. So now we're going to take our 4-inch container like we've done in class before, and we're going to make a little hole. We're going to put this one in. And again, gently tamp it down. Now it's in a bigger pot. It's going to be a lot happier, and then it's going to be ready for sale. So the next thing you would want to do is water them. We'll give them a light drink of water. All right, so we don't need to fertilize our plants today. After, we'll just give them a little drink of water. Next week, we'll give them fertilizers, and that's our next lecture. Is fertilizers on Wednesday. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on Wednesday. And remember, keep learning. Bye.